ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ 20 ਸਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਹੈਪੀਲੀ ਬੁੱਕਡ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਲੱਬ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਲੰਧਰ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ 20 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੇਕ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਨੀਰਜ਼ਾ ਸੂਦ ਮੇਅਰ, ਵਾਈਸ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ ਆਫ ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਲੰਧਰ, ਚਾਰੂ ਤ੍ਰਿਨ ਵਾਈਸ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ, Dance King of India, Pride of Punjab, Gagun Bedi, founder of Happily Book, Simple Coaches ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ Happily Book Club ਦੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਵੀ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਇਸ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਮੌਕੇ ਨੂੰ।
मैं मेयर वर्ल्ड ਨੂੰ 20 ਸਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਤਹਿ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ। ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾਂ। 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਕਾਮ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਸੌਖਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਗਨ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਹੈ। ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ 'ਚ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਣਹਾਰ ਬੱਚਾ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਤਾਰੀਫੇ ਕਾਬਿਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਦਰ ਇਹਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ ਵੁੱਡ ਲਵ ਟੂ ਕੰਗ੍ਰੈਚੁਲੇਟ ਮਿਸਿਸ ਨੀਰਜ਼ਾ ਮੇਅਰ ਹੂ ਇਜ਼ ਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ right next to me, the backbone of Mayor World School, जिन्होंने बहुत ही मेहनत की है एंड मेरे नाल वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैडम चारू त्रिहेन जिन्होंने इक्वली बहुत मेहनत की है इस स्कूल ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣ ਵਿੱਚ and along with me I have Chetan Mayor and Chitij Mayor, so thank you so much and I cannot forget the major backbone Rajesh Mayor who has been always there to support the school and I think this school is definitely carrying on its legacy and this is going to carry it for infinity.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gagan, and all thanks to Ms. Simple for bringing the Happily Book Club to Mayor World School. Of course, we are celebrating 20 years of our existence in our beautiful town Jalandhar in Punjab, but at the same time, if our motto is inspiring excellence, I think our motto is also no child left behind. It is we all make sure that no child is left behind. Every child, you know how we had stage fear when we were young, we still have, most of us still have stage fear. Not a single child in Mayor World has stage fear. They can boldly go up to anyone and go up on stage and speak, and impromptu they will be amazing. We have one of the finest international tennis players and chess players and also dancers we have. So thank you so much. We need your blessings and we need your love. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having Happily Booked at your premises. It was such a lovely evening reading together. And with your motto, Inspiring Excellence, you are already inspiring excellence in the field of academia. And I wish, like you have said, that there is inclusivity and every child is unique and you make sure that ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਯੂਨੀਕਨੈਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜਾਣੂ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ। That is a very kind gesture.
Say this earlier because I didn't want to take up too much of the time, but in continuation of what Dr. Sonia said about special children, I think you should publicize this a little, and schools like you which cooperate with the child, people, the staff who understands what autism is, makes all the difference in a child's life. I'm very happy that you're doing this. God bless you all.
So my huge respect to you that you added 2 gems to our family like that. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So today is the first time I have visited the campus and I really wanted to earlier when MUN was organized, but I was busy. So my experience is I'm overwhelmed to see the kind of education infrastructure which is available in Jalandhar. I cannot expect it happening in the city, in the tier 2 city like Jalandhar, but touchwood it is doing it. I told last time also, ma'am, there is some kind of magic wand here which I have realized lately that something is happening inside and the kids, they come out and they're doing so well. And now I got to know it's because of the founding members who are so industrious They're so sagacious. They are involving everybody for the 360-degree development of the kids. That's wonderful, ma'am.
So much.
Raja ma'am and Mayworld School for completing 20 years and successful 20 years, I must say. What I've heard and listened to stories from others, I really hope and pray that we also have studied in this school. Rather more laurel this school brings to you. Yeah, congratulations. Thank you and thank you for having us.
Oh, it's my honor.
Yes,
Honestly,
And you know, it's such a privilege. It's a privilege that such an inspiring lady is a part of this book club. But thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am. Many of your staff members are patient as well, and they talk highly of you. We are not here. I have known that you were educating the special kids, but you are not propagating. Some schools are propagating and making it highlight. You are silently doing that work from so many years. So it's really commendable job, because other schools are not even accommodating them, and they are doing it and they are not propagating for it. Yeah. So many congratulations, ma'am, on completing 20 years, and it's an honor to be associated with you.
Congratulations on 20 remarkable years of excellence and dedication, and your commitment to nurturing minds and shaping future is truly inspiring, Mrs. Mayor. And many congratulations to the whole family and everyone who's there as a rock. This thing behind the. I have seen that. I've known Mrs. Mayor for over 20 years, and ever since the whole journey started. 26, yeah. 26 years, and it's been a long journey, and this school I have seen growing, rising and shining like never before. And I mean, having such kind of infrastructure, in fact, it's my first visit today to the school itself, and as I was walking towards and entered, and I was as if I am somewhere actually in Ajmer or in some cosmopolitan or somewhere. I mean, many congratulations.
I happen to interact with some of the Mayworld school students, and I think it's very important in today's time that a student should have a balanced growth, where most of the schools are looking into only the technical aspects. I think having a well-rounded personality and a beautiful extracurricular infrastructure really provides that kind of background. So I think I really appreciate the forward-looking school like Mayworld, and thanks.
Whenever a school opens its doors with heart, like you did it today for us, it opens a lot more opportunities in future. And I've been closely following your Instagram, all your social media handles, and the MUN is something that gets my heart onto. I don't know how, but I really want to be associated with it, just maybe as an audience though. But yeah, I mean, you're doing wonders, and the moment we go through that gaiety route of the model town, and then we see that Mayor's World, billboards everywhere, and the newly inaugurated chalk. Yeah. It actually fills our heart with pride, ma'am. We're so proud to be associated with you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So, congratulations to ma'am and Charu ma'am's, your hard work and your, inspirational this thing. I came here today. I'm feeling blessed because I have two connections. One is, 20 years before when school started. So I did my first Art of Living program here in the ground. It was a very special moment for me. Second thing, my son is studying here. And third thing, this is the best education institute, what I feel is in North India. So keep growing and many congratulations.